Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. It's probably been about 2 weeks now since I did the HPD kit, and as you guys know, I got the lowering springs on, Enki wheels, 27WON downpipe, and 27WON rear mount, and this is currently how it sits. HPD diffuser, black Civic badge, black Honda badge, HPD badge. Go this way. HPD side skirts, HPD front lip, and black Honda badge. So anyway, this is how the car sits right now, and a few people requested some sound clips of the car with the 27WON downpipe and the stock exhaust, so I'm gonna get a few of those today. We'll get a couple revs here, launch control. After that, I'll throw the camera on the rear bumper and we'll go for a drive around town, because on the downshifts you can hear some, like, downshifting from third to second or second to first, you can hear some burbles and stuff, even with the stock exhaust. It surprised me. I thought I noticed it when it was 100% stock, but with the downpipe it's definitely a lot more noticeable. So anyway, I'm gonna get this set up and let's take a listen. Anyway, there's a few revs, two-step, and let's throw this on the back of the car. We'll go for a drive around town and let you guys listen to it. Anyway guys, that is some sound clips with the 27WON downpipe, and as you can see, everything else is stock there. Stock front pipe, stock exhaust. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips driving around, a couple wide open throttle pulls, and hopefully that gives you a better idea what the 27WON downpipe actually sounds like. Sounds pretty good in my opinion. Has some like burbles and stuff on the downshifts on the 3-2 or 2-1, or just at a low cruise. I noticed it in first gear or second gear. When you're coming up, when you're starting to decelerate, you'll notice it. But anyway, that's the video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. All that stuff helps. Anyway guys, I will catch you on the next one.